Yes, good evening. Those who have joined, please comment. Yes, good evening, Hirod. Yes, Payal, good evening. Smriti, good evening. Yes, Prasanna, good evening. Yes, Payal, you have to write. Okay, let's start then. Today we are supposed to do question number 4, isn't it? Till 3 we have done all. Okay, so let's do number. So the first question is for number 4. The question says calculate giving your answer correct to the indicated number of decimal places. So for question number 1, number 4 is number 1, it is 0.754 divided by 3 to, what did I say? 1 dp. This is the question, isn't it? So what you need to do, you have to divide 0.754 by 3. Now the number which will divide the number is 3. Kune divide koribo yaar? 3 divide koribo kar 0. Board is clear, everyone? Is the board clear? Yes, Zubair, good evening. Is the board clear? So আমি 3 পা ডিভাইড কৰিম আৰু আমাক আনসার কিহত লাগে 1 decimal places মানে decimal পাছত এটা ডিজিট হ'ব লাগিব ওকে so here you can see the number with which we have to divide is a whole number so যেতিয়া যোনটো নম্বৰ পৰা ডিভাইড কৰিম তাত decimal নাথাকে তেতিয়া আমি কিবা কৰিব লাগিব নেকি no we have to divide it directly is it or not so we will divide it 0.754 of 3 divide koribo 3 table of 0 kiman bar 0 times after subtraction it will be 0 now you can see 7 will come down and in the mid there was decimal so it is written with the quotient 7 3 2 times 6 remains 1 is it or not now what it will be 5 will come down 3 5 times 15 remains 0 4 will come down okay then 3 1 times 3 remains 1. Shall I take 0? So shall I take 0 here? Shall I take 0 to continue the division? It's not needed. Okay. So this division, now I got how many places after decimal? I can see here it is 1 decimal place, second and third. We have 3 decimal places. Okay, so now we don't have to continue because tomar decimal places kiman lage 1 decimal places lage. So already amarta tinita ase. So now continue kora to kono sense no bone. Is it or not? Therefore we will write 0.754 divided by 3 is equal to 0.251. But question of kiman decimal places ko is question of kiman decimal places ko is one decimal places কৈছে so আমাক round off কৰিব লাগিব so after decimal first place is 2 and 2 ৰ লগত কি আছে 5 so we have to add one round off কৰিবলৈ so 2 plus 1 will become 3 up to 1 decimal places okay clear everyone any doubt anyone okay let's move to number 2 then file written let's see number 2 then 24.71 divided by 13 to 3 dp if it is 3 dp it means what decimal or password tuma keta digit lagibo tinita okay if it is 3 decimal places means decimal ke baad aapko quotient mein 3 digits hona chahiye okay so let us first divide 24.71 divided by 13 first two digit is 24 13 into 2 is 26 so we will take one time only 13 1 times 13 after subtraction 4 minus 1 is 1 2 minus 1 is 1 decimal is there so it is written in the quotient and 7 नीचे आ जाएगा 7 कॉलम में आने को लगेगा 117 13 9 times 117 remains 0 1 will come down 13 your table 1 আহিব one time nahe so if it is not if it is in one time so how many times you will take 0 times and 13 what 0 times 0 remains what 1 now we are free to take 1 0 at a time is it or not so 10 ahibo 13 or table of 10 ahibo no will you see in the table of 13 10 13 into 1 is 13 so it will be 0 times again okay so 0 and I got 10. I can take 1 0 at a time. 7 times 91 remains 9. So ama kima decimal places lage? 3 decimal places lage. So in the question you have to take 4 digits first. Tar piso tomaloge ki koribo pariba? Round off koribo pariba. Okay? Therefore 24.71 divided by 13 is equal to 1.9007 so 1 2 3 this is the third decimal places tar logot ki ase 7 more than 1 that more than 5 5 ba more than 5 hole ki hoy add 1 so correct to 3 decimal places written everyone sorry while written understood everyone is there any doubt while written Smriti, any doubt? Are you getting it? Let's move to number 3 then. 16.7 will be divided by 6 and you need to get the quotient up to 2 decimal places. Okay. Hirog, Arnav, all are missing today. Oh, Arnav is there. Let's see number 3 then. 60.7 divided by 6 to 2 decimal places. Now if it is say 2 decimal places, তেতিয়া তোমালোকে division or quotient to কিমানটা digit লব লাগিব? You have to take till 3 decimal places, is it or not? So it will be 16.7 will be divided by 6. 6 2 times 12 remains 4. Decimal is there, so you have to write the decimal. Quotient in the quotient. Next year nami ahibo 7 9 nami ahibo. 6 7 times 42 remains what? 5 50. Okay. 6 8 times 48 remains what? 2. Decimal or password at the end at a 0 at a time logo pada, so 1 0 has been taken. 3 times 18 remains 2. So now up to 2 decimal places कोई से. So in the quotient you need how many places? 3. Okay. So therefore we already have 3 places there. So we will write 16.7 divided by 6 is equal to 2.783. Now 2 decimal places, that means 7 or 8. 8 is the second decimal places. 8 or logot ki ase, next place of ki ase 3. Add 1 hobo. It is smaller than 5. It is, if it is 5 or more than 5, তেতিয়া তোমালোকক add কৰিব লাগে. So ইয়াতো 8 নহব. So it will be 2.78 correct to dp. Clear everyone? dp means decimal places. Okay. Any doubt? Written pile. Okay, let's see number 4, the last one of this question. Then we will move to number 5. Now it is 87 divided by 0.723 dp. Now can I do it directly? Directly কৰিব পাৰিম নে? Can we do it directly? No. Why? Because যোনটো number divide কৰিব, that is 0.7 is the decimal number. আৰু decimal number থাকিলে আমি directly divide কৰিব নোৱাৰো. So it will be 87 divided by 0.7. Now যোনটো number divide কৰিব তাক আমি whole number বনাব লাগে from the decimal number. The number that is dividing, that is 0.7, should be changed from a decimal number to a whole number. So what we need to do, decimal or password at a digit, so into 10 into 10. Okay. So it will be 870 divided by 7. Any doubt anyone? Point and 0 got adjusted. So now 7 will divide, here we will write 7 will divide 870. First digit is 8, so 1 times 7, 1 times 7 remains 1. What is the next number? 7. 2 times 14, what remains? 3. 0 will come down. Okay. 4 times 28 remains 2. Point. I have taken the decimal. 7 2 times 14 remains 6. 60 60. 7 8 times 56 remains 4. 40 40. 7 5 times 35 remains 5. 50 50. 7 7 times 49 remains 1. Okay. Can you see it, Payal? So you can see why I have taken after decimal 4 places, because we need to round it off to 3 decimal places. Is it or not? So 3 karne ami eta besi lobo lage, so that round off koribo paro. So it will be what? Therefore I can write 87 divided by 0.7 is equal to 124.2857, which is three decimal places. The third is 5. 5 or kap kiya se? The number next to 5 is 7. That is more than 5. So we have to add 1. It will be 124.286. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Written file? Okay. Let's move to number 5 then. Give the following fraction as decimals correct to three decimal places. Okay, keta decimal places lage 3. Okay, so now here तुम्हारे की size है 6 से divide करेছে काक 1 up. Here 6 is dividing 1. You can see 1 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. It means what? 1 divides 6. Is it or not? If it is written 1 by 6, that means 1. 1 divided by 6. So therefore 6 will divide 1. It is 6 or table 1 ahibo nahe. So 0 times 0 remains 1. Decimal dile 1 0 can be taken. Okay. 6 1 times 6 remains 4. 4 0 40. 6 6 times 36 remains 4. 4 0 40. Again 6 6 times 36 remains what? 4. 4 0 40. 6 6 times 36. What remains is 4. You need it to be corrected till three decimal places. Is it or not? So decimal or paso तुम्हाला एक कितना digit पाला? 1 2 3 4. इथे continue करें ना हमें division? No, because तुम्हाला को three decimal places और करने कितना लगे? सारीटा places लागिबो. So that you can round it up. The third place can be rounded up using the fourth place. है ना है? So तुम्हाला के सारीटा places पाए होला. So we can stop our division. Okay. Although we are getting remainder, we can stop. Okay, therefore we can write 1 divided by 6 is equal to 0.1666. Now correct to three decimal places. So 1, 2, 3. Third place is what? 6. 6 or next digit is again 6. That is more than 5. So we can add it. Add 1 to the third place and we'll get 167. And we'll write correct to 3 dp. Any doubt anyone? File written. Written. Any doubt anyone? Okay. Let's see next. Number 2. 3 divided by 3 by 11. This means what? 3 is divided by 11. Is it or not? So what we will do? We will divide 3 with, we will divide 3 by 11. So 11 or table of 3 कितने होना है? So how many times? 0 times 0 remains what? 3. Decimal 1 0 can be taken. 11 2 times 22 remains 8. 8 0 80. 7 times 77 remains 3. Okay, 2 times 22 remains 8. Okay, 1 0 can be taken. Again 7 times 77 remains 3. Decimal or pass of keta digit pi bolo 1 2 3 4. So for 3 decimal places among 4 digits lagibo in the decimal part, so we got it. So we can stop our division now. So it is 3 by 11 is equal to 0.2727. Okay, which is equal to, what is the third place? Third place is 2. Next to 2 is 7. So I have to add 1. So it will be 0.273 correct to 3 decimal places. Any doubt, anyone? Written pile? Written pile? Others, if you have any doubt. Smriti, are you going through the video? Okay. Let's see the next one then. Number 3, what is that? It's number 3 is 7 divided by 18, which means what? 7 by 18 means what? 7 divided by 18. So 18 is 7 of divide koribo. Okay, in the table of 18, 7 won't be seen. Okay, so 18 0 times 0 remains 7. After decimal, I can take 1 0 at a time. So it will be 3 times. Okay, 3 times what? 54 remains what? 6. And here 1. 1 6 16. 1 0 can be taken. So now what is the next? Let us check. 18 into 8, 64 carries 6. 8, 1 into 1 is 8. 8 and 6 is 14. Let us see 9 times. 9 6 times 72. 7 in hand. 9 into 1 is 9. And 162. So I cannot take 9 times. So I have to take how many times? 8 times. 1 4 4. Remains 6 here and remains 1 here. 5 minus 4 is 1 and again 160. Again in the table of 8 it will be 144. Again remains what? Uh, 6 here and 1 here. Again 0. Again it will be taken 8 times. Okay. So it will be 144 and remains 16. Now after decimal what data digit pi bolo? 4 decimal places pi bolo. So now I can stop. Okay. Therefore I can write 7 by 18 is equal to 0.3888. Now I need to round it off to 3 decimal places. So let's see the third one. First, second, third. Third or rubber digit to 9. The digit right to this one. The digit right to 8 is here 8 again. So round off hobo, add 1 hobo lagibo. So it is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Correct to 3 decimal places. Clear everyone? Yes, good evening. File written. Let's move to number 4 then. Any doubt, anyone? Eight by 15 means what? 8 will be divided by 15. Okay. So now let us divide 8 by 15, 55, sorry. So here you can see in the table of 55, 8 won't appear. So 8 0 times 55, 0 times 0 remains 8. Now I can take as decimal, and if I take the decimal, 1 0 can be taken at a time. So 55 1 times 55 remains, here remains 5, and 7 minus 5 is 2, remains 0. Now 55 into 4 will give you 220. So 4 times 220 remains 30 again. So now 55 into 5 will give you 275. So let us take 5 times, it will be 275 remains 25, and 0 can be taken again, it will be 4 times 220 remains 30. Now after decimal, how many places you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now our work is done. Okay. Now we have to round it off and write our answer. Therefore, 8 by 55 is equal to 0.1454. Now let's move to third place. First, second, third. Third or lower digit to 4. So nothing will be added, and it will be 0.145, correct to 3 decimal places. Clear everyone? Any doubt? Written pile? Okay. Let's see number 5, the last one of this question. 19 divided by 24. So it means what? 19 is divided by 24. So 24 divided by 19, 19 0 times 0 remains 19. Point has been taken, and if point is written, I can take 1 0 at a time. So 24 into 4 is, it will be, let us check 7 times. 7 4 times 28, carry 2, 14 into 16. Let us see 8 times then. 32, carry 3, 16 and 3, 19. So I can take 7 times only. 8 times will be greater. So 7 times it will give you 168. After subtraction, 10 minus 8 is 2. Here 8 minus 6 is 2. Remain 1 0 can be taken at a time. So 8 times is 192. Let us check 9 times. 9 8 times 36, carry 3. 92 is 18. 18 and 3 is 21. So I can take how many times? 9 times it will give you 216. Remains 4040. 1 times 24 remains 616. It will be 160. Now let us check. Uh, 6 times, because 7 times is 160 greater. 24 carry to 16 and 12 and 2 14. So it will be 6 times 144. After subtraction, 6 and 1 16. So now after decimal I have 4 places. So now work is done. Okay. So now we have to round it off just. 19 divided by 24 is equal to 0.7916. Now this is first, second, third. After third place, the next digit is 6. So I have to add 1. So it will be 0.792. Correct to 3 decimal places. Any doubt, anyone in this question? Anyone got any doubt in this question? File written? Okay, just a minute. Let me fill in. So Question number 6, number 1, MCQs is if 6%, what does it say? If 6% shares a equally share a bill of rupees 98.10 sorry, if 6% equally share a bill of 98.10, how much each pay? মানে টোটাল বিল 98.10 হৈছে আৰু এইটো বিল ছজনে মিলি পেলাই ইকুৱেলি শেয়াৰ কৰিছে. So what we will do, we have to, if it is if everyone is sharing it equally, that means we have to divide 98.10 by 6. Okay, so we will write it as number 6. It is MCQs. What is total bill is equal to rupees 98.10, and number of people or number of persons, how many people are there to share it? 6. So bill, how much should each pay? Therefore we will write money paid by each person or each people. We'll write each person, that will be more proper, is rupees 98.10 divided by 6. Now let us divide it here. 6, 98.10. 6 one times, 6 remains 3. 8 will come down. 6 times 36 remains 2. Decimal is there, so it will be taken up and 1 will come down. 6 3 times 18 remains 3. 0 will come down. In the table of 6, 30 is seen 5 times. So 0. So answer we got is 16.35. Answer is option number C. Rupees 16.35. Any doubt anyone here with this question? Anyone got any doubt with the question? Jubair, are you there? Written pile? Okay, let's see the next question then. .35 is divided by 0.05. Now can we do it directly? 0.005. Can I do it directly now? No, because the number which is dividing 35 is a decimal number. তোমালোকে চাইছা যে number যোনটো number 35 of divide কৰি আছে is a decimal number, so it cannot be done directly. Okay, because the divisor should be a whole number. So yeah, decimal or পাছত কেইটা digit আছে 1 2 and 3. So into 1 2 and 3, and here into 1000. So it will be 35,000, and here 5 into 1 is 5, 3 0. Decimal or parcel keta places as eta duta tinta. We have 3 places after decimal. So count from the back 1 2 3. After this 3 zeros, it will be decimal will be there. So pointer parcel 0 kuno value nai. So 5 1 times 5, 5 7 times 35, 5 0 times 0, 5 0 times 0, 5 0 times 0. 35,000 is cancelled and answer is 7,000. Answer is option number B, 7,000. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt till here? File written? Any doubt anyone, or shall I proceed to the last question? Okay, Let's see the last one then. By which decimal number should this be divided to get this? Okay. What does the question say is, by which decimal number should this be divided to get this? So for this, you need to write note. So suppose by what number 35 should be divided to get 7? Okay, I don't know this number. Jano niki ami? So A2 number মই নাজানো কি আছে. So A2 number ইয়াত divide হৈ আছে, সেইটো ফালে লৈ গলে কি হ'ব? Into question mark ইয়াত যদি divide হৈ আছে সেইফালে গলে কি হ'ব? Multiply. And now I need to find this question mark. It will be what? 35 divided by 7 is equal to question mark. Is it or not? তেনেকেহে পাবা তোমালোকে মই জাস্ট এটা এক্সাম্পল শো কৰিব বিচাৰিছো 35 by what number 35 should be divided to get 7 ঠিক তেনেকে by what number should 0.001 should be divided to get 0.01 ঠিক তেনেকে ইয়াত কি আছে 0.001 কি নম্বৰৰ পৰা ডিভাইড কৰিলে আমি 0.01 পাম so I need to know this number so এইফালে যদি ডিভাইড হৈছে এইফালে লৈ গলে কি হ'ব 0.0001 is equal to 0.01 into question mark. So now my question mark বিচাৰিবলে A2 number যদি এফালে লৈ আনো again it will be divided. Okay, so it will be 0.0001 divided by 0.01. Okay, যদি দিগদাৰ পাইছা x লৈ এপ্লাই কৰিবা পায় note it down. This is a note for you. So we will write the number or we will write the required decimal number. This is your note, okay? The required decimal number is equal to what? 0.0001, 3 zeros and 1 divided by 0.01. Now 0.0001 divided by 0.01. Decimal number of আমি directly divide করিব নোৱাৰো. So here after decimal we have two places. So 1 with 2 zeros is multiplied. Same way with the numerator we have multiplied 100. So now 1 into 100 is 100 and 1 into 100 is 100. After decimal, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 places missing. So 0 and 0 written. And after decimal, 2 places. So 1, 2. After 1, it is the decimal number. 0.01 divided by 1 is equal to 0.01 is your answer. Anyone, any doubt with this question? It is important one, okay? যদি এনেকে দিগদাৰ পাইছা এইটো লিখি লোৱা মই আৰু এটা মেথড শিকাই দিম written any doubt okay let's see this by another method or x লৈ পেলাই কৰি আছো okay let the required number be x therefore by what number 0.0001 be divided so আমি যোনটো নম্বৰ পৰা divide হ'ব তাক x মানি লৈছো divided by x gives you 0.01 so now 0.0001 x is getting divided the other side it will be what যদি এইটো সাইডে মাল্টিপ্লাই হয় হিফালে এইটো সাইডে যদি ডিভাইড হয় হিফালে মাল্টিপ্লাই হ'ব I need to find the value of x so it will be 0.0001 হিফালে 0.01 multiply হৈছে হিফালে আহিলে divide is equal to x which implies x is equal to now same thing we have to do okay 0.01 01 into 100 into 100 তললে আমি 100 মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব লাগিব because after decimal there is two places, so it will become 1.00 and it will become 100 0 here and this one, so it will become 0.01 divided by 1, that is 0.01. This calculation is same whatever I have taught you in the last one. Okay, just here আমি x লৈ পেলাই solve কৰিছো, যাক যোনটো method easy লাগে that method follow কৰিব পাৰিবা, that's not an issue. Okay, so in the next class I will teach you the conversion. Okay, and it is very important and moi eta easy trick hikam next class on. Try to be attentive and class join koriba next class. Okay, that's a very important class and hetu trick bahut easy hobo tomalokor karone jodi hikilo bhalke. So any doubt, anyone got any doubt? Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next class, that is Friday. Okay, thank you everyone.